Disney said no, but does that really mean it can't happen?
Your attention, please.
What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back. Over the last week or so, rumors have popped up that Disney and Tesla might be uniting to overhaul the Tomorrowland Speedway and possibly Autopia. Both of these attractions need help. They've needed it for years. They've had many complaints about the gas fumes. Could Tesla be the solution, or is this simply just a rumor? Now, this rumor was started by a site called Just Disney. Now, I have never heard of this site before. I've never seen any content from their site, so I take this rumor with a grain of salt. But Tesla and Disney uniting would make sense. Disney needs to update both the Tomorrowland Speedway and Autopia. Both need to shift toward electric cars. But would Tesla actually be willing to put money toward this? To sponsor this attraction, to help Disney build these electric cars? Well, I think we already have our answer. Shortly after this rumor came out, Disney said no, that they are not working with Tesla to overhaul the Tomorrowland Speedway and Autopia vehicles. But now, just because Disney said no, does that really mean no? Just a couple of years ago, a rumor surfaced saying that Tower of Terror over in Disney's California Adventure was going to see a remodel. Disney came out and said no, the tower will not be touched. The key words there, the tower will not be touched. Because in fact, it was remodeled, it was rethemed for Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. But they did not lie, because they did say the tower would not be touched. So I have a feeling we could see something similar here, where they're saying, no, we're not pairing with Tesla. We're not going to let Tesla redo our cars and put in brand new cars. But that doesn't mean that they're not going to get electric cars here soon. So just because Disney says no to Tesla doesn't mean that they're not currently working on these electric vehicles for the Tomorrowland Speedway and Autopia. Many guests for years have clamored and asked Disney to replace these gas engines, to replace them with electric vehicles. The fumes have gotten out of control. Autopia, not so much. I have extremely bad allergies, and Autopia doesn't bother me nearly as much as the Tomorrowland Speedway. When we were there last year, we actually did not ride Tomorrowland Speedway because the fumes were so strong. Plus, it's not covered and it's, 95 degrees out. But the fumes have impacted these two attractions. So obviously electric vehicles are the way to go, and our normal everyday cars are now becoming mostly electric. So Disney's going to have to step up and decide, is it worth putting in these electric vehicles? Because both of these attractions have had rumors that they might be going away. Or they can just let them continue to be gas and let these attractions kind of fall off, and then they have an excuse to build something in their space. Because both attractions occupy a huge amount of space. If they just keep pumping the gas out, people are going to turn away from it because of the smell. Then they can finally say, hey, people have lost interest in both attractions. It's time to build something new. So like I said, when Disney says no, it doesn't always mean no, but I do believe them this time, that they are not partnering with Tesla. Tesla isn't a company that likes to put their name on everything. You don't see a lot of ads, you don't see a lot of billboards. So why would they start with the biggest theme park enterprise by throwing their name on one of their attractions and having millions and millions of guests walk by it every day? That's just not how Tesla operates. It's more of a close-knit family kind of feel. So I just don't feel that they're going to slap their name on something that millions of guests are going to walk by, ride, everything like that. But Disney needs to build these electric vehicles. They have sponsors out there. Autopia is already sponsored by Honda. And Honda does make electric vehicles. So it could be possible that Honda is actually the one that is going to build these vehicles for Autopia. Tomorrowland Speedway might not get that remodel, might not get those new vehicles because that attraction is on its last leg. They're already taking part of it away for the new Tron coaster, and who knows what else Disney could come up to put in that space. So don't believe the rumor. Tesla and Disney are not uniting to build these new electric vehicles. It is going to happen. It's just not going to be with Tesla. So be sure to leave your comment down below if you want to see these electric cars, or do you want to see them remain the same? I'm all for electric vehicles. Just keep the sound. Put a speaker in and make it sound like a gas engine. I love that sound. It's almost it's a classic Disney sound. When you're walking through Tomorrowland and you hear those vehicles running, it makes you happy. It's one of those just iconic things. Don't change it, but you can put electric vehicles in if you keep it. So that is going to do it for today, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when other videos like this or other park adventure videos are uploaded. And as always, if you're at any of the Disney parks, tell Mickey and Minnie I say hi, and I will see you all a little later.